Hi, Emma. Oh, Emma's rolling all over wanting some attention. Come here, girl. Emma's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Come here, Emma. Come on up here and let people see you. She is a very sweet, friendly girl. You'll roll over and let me do your belly now, will you, Emma? You feel like velvet, girl. Yeah. Let people see that face. It's so cute. Such a sweetheart. Yes, you are. You are one outstanding kitty. Uh-huh. The doll. Yeah. You are my buddy, aren't you? There are a few of us here who just think the world of you, Emma. The little mouse. Huh? Did you get that little mouse? The sweetheart girl. Yeah. Is that your friend? Sweetheart, yes, you are. Good buddy, Emma. Bye-bye, girl. Oops, bye-bye, sweetheart. I know, that was a scary noise, wasn't it? They're gonna come and give you your breakfast and clean up your room now. Bye-bye.